Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulling back to my open trade target. I'm going to show you in this video. We're going to look at technical analysis, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum. And I want to do just many TA on a lot of alts to see the overall picture. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Let's go into technicals. Bitcoin pulling to my earlier, no, that's Google. Bitcoin 42,400. You can see here that in the last few hours, Bitcoin pulled back around. Oh, look, whoa, nice, woohoo! Congratulations. Oh shit, it didn't open. Whoa, look at that. It missed it by $2. $2. It missed it by $2, Bitcoin. So what you saw here is Bitcoin dropped down since my last video about 5 hours ago or 6 hours ago. I made a video. My target was for Bitcoin to drop down because of a rising wedge. This one here, and breaks down. These are rising wedges. You learn technical analysis in my course, but rising wedges and breaks down. And now it's come down to my open target. Why? Because that's a yearly monthly support there. It came down and touched yearly monthly support, but it actually missed it. So my trade open was 42,331. The low was 42,333. So it literally missed it by $1.10. But okay, amazing. Wow, I'm really cool at this. But just shit, the trade missed. Okay, the trade didn't open. If anyone saw the trade from yesterday, but earlier ones earlier today, but earlier ones did. Stochastic turning up. I think we get a bounce here because there is strength. But again, Bitcoin just seems to be just falling off here. I was expecting this. This was my red line that I drew a few days ago. Bitcoin is back on the path. I drew this red dotted line a few days ago. We went up a little bit more than I expected, but pull back into that red line. This red dotted line I drew a few days ago. So I would keep the same trade open. I think Bitcoin's going to pull back and get another bounce off here. 42,331, stop loss 42,197. Even weekly support, you could open a trade. So you could pull it back to here. I'll do it from here. 42051, stop loss 41836. Take profit 61k. Risk to reward is 90 times, risking $215 to make $19,000. No leverage, 10x leverage, $190,000, etc., etc. You can figure it out. Learn it all in the course. That's what I think. That red dotted line is what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin in the longer term time frame, going like midterm, going to April, and we have big resistance at 49k. I'm currently long Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do under the video, go down below. Under the video, one is the exchanges that I used. Bybit gives a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. 2 is the courses. Take the crypto master course to learn in-depth TA, technical analysis. 3 is the Telegram, and my Bitcoin trade is currently pulled back probably now, but it's 46,000 yesterday, so now it's $39,000 in the profits, 320%, almost $40,000 in the profits. This account 42,393, 502,000 in this account. Yes, last night it was 512,000, so it pulled back around $10,000. Still around $500,000 though. It looks like the market is pulling back a bit. Now I'm going to jump into many TA and many things to look at what the overall markets are telling me. So now I'm going to just go through quick TA. I'm not going to go in depth. I'm just going to get like a scan. So Tesla, if I go to the weekly charts, I'm going to just look longer term time frame charts. Pull back, Tesla pulling back to this white trend line that's been on since 2019. Makes sense. 166 buys. 170 good buy areas. Came close to there already. If that trend line doesn't hold, wow, it could get painful for Tesla longs. 120 would be next buy if that trend line doesn't hold. 120 would be the target. Something could happen. So that's Tesla. Let's put some alert here. I'd like to get alerted if it comes down to 120. Let's go into Meta. $400, new all-time high on Meta. Everyone, congratulations. I literally bought the bottom of Meta. If you followed my videos, I bought at exactly the bottom at around $80 on Meta. We are up now. Look, we're up 200%. Now we're up, since my buys on Meta, now we're up 248%. Now it's price ranging. There's no, how do I find, okay, now I got to find some trend lines that give me an indicator of where it can find resistance. So Meta resistance would be somewhere, target here. So resistance on Meta, if it hits this trend line, 520. That's when I need to get out. That's my price finding. 522. I'll add alert. 524. There's an alert set there. You can see the top of the range, right? Meta keeps boom, and then massive V shape, and then if it comes up, 520 would be the target for Meta. Let's go. So Meta looking bullish. Let's look at the total market cap of all cryptos on the monthly. Big push up from the bottom. Huge doji wick is forming. We have 12 hours left on this monthly candle. 12 hours left on this monthly candle, and it's a massive doji. Doji signal the top, everyone. Doji signal the top. This is a very, very big deal for crypto markets. Doji candles, which is like this, it's like a star. What it means is the price went up this much during the month, and it came down this month during the month. There was all the market cap went up this much, and then went down this much, but it closed the week back where it started. That's a doji star, a doji candle. A doji candle is a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern, and this is just the first. It's closing in 12 hours and 53 minutes. This is a doji pattern on the entire crypto market. So maybe a sign to get out of stuff. This is a doji pattern. Stochastic is also overbought. Volume is still climbing on the monthly, but the weekly, the volume dropped off a little bit. Last week, it's okay. Interesting. Bull flag failed, but then bounced. Volume is still strong. Look at this on the weekly. Look at this set of candles that we're having. It's like wicking down, wicking up, wicking down, wicking up, wicking down. So it's not having much buying pressure. It's not having much selling pressure. The trend line on all crypto market caps, if we just draw out the trend line, we could say that this is the trend line on all cryptocurrency. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, everyone. You can learn all this in the Crypto Master course. Take the courses. Join the Telegram. So we could get a pullback to the bottom of this channel, actually. Could pull back to 1.2 trillion. Got to keep an eye on this. The only thing is volume is still strong. Volume is still strong, so that's what we're watching. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my updates on the market. Quick TA. You can learn all of this in the crypto course down below. Smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and let me know any tickers you'd like me to analyze. I analyze some tickers that people requested. Keep letting me know in the comments. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.